Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. And first of all, I'm sorry my voice sounds a little bit hoarse. I basically was screaming too loud at the Spice Girls last week and my voice has still not returned. It was worth it when I was screaming a zig a zig ah. But seriously, I do apologise, so I have to speak in this like soft ASMR voice because if I get really excited and start speaking like this, my voice goes. So we're gonna keep it calm, keep it Kylie Jenner tone type thing. And we're gonna get right into it because I've got to leave in about 15 minutes and I really want to do this review for you because I have had so many requests to review the new Maybelline Super Matte Ink Lip Crayons. Yep, Super Stay Ink Crayons by Maybelline. There's an array of colours. I think like 12 in total, and I have already done swatches on these. However, I haven't actually done a wear test or a proper review, and I've already got some first impressions and thoughts on these lip crayons. First of all, the smell is so strong, but I love it. It's like vanilla cupcakes. It smells very similar to their Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. Yep, very similar. They must use the same kind of scent in their lip products, which I personally love. A lot of you know that I have loved the Super Stay Matte Inks for years. The fact is that the staying power is immense, but some people don't get on with it. I love it, but I do know what you mean. Sometimes it can crumble around the lip line because it is staying on for so long, which is amazing. But I would say that the fade isn't flawless, so you just have to keep that topped up, which leads me on to the lip crayons. So the formula is super. Apparently I've lost my mind as well as my voice. Cool. The formula at first swatch is super creamy. I'm going to just show you a darker shade here. Super creamy. It almost seems like it's going to just stay as a satin finish. And I do like that, however, it does dry down and become a little bit more matte. I wouldn't say it's completely matte, it still has a satin sheen, but it starts to dry down, which obviously then means it's going to stay, super stay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my two favourite shades, which are Lead the Way and Enjoy the View, because you know what I'm like, I have to ombre my lips, of course. Oh, it's just so intoxicating. So first of all, I'm using the shade Enjoy the View. See, it's just so creamy. What I love is that you don't really need a lip liner if you choose the right shade. Oh, and another thing, which I totally didn't mention, is that they all have a built-in sharpener, so you can keep the tip, nice and precise for lining your lips with. So that's my lip line done. I'll go around the edges a bit to blend. And now I'm going to use, I sound like I'm trying to seduce you, but I promise you I'm not. Maybe I am. No, I'm not. Oh, again, it just goes on like silk. You can rub your lips together for a few minutes. I mean, this is a beautiful combo, if I do say so myself. So beauties, what I'm going to do is leave this on. I've actually got quite a long day. I'm heading into London now to meet my manager for a meeting, and then I have a little afternoon tea with nude sticks, which should be really cute, and then I have a little evening event. So I'll be back with you at like 9 PM. So in about 10 hours, I'll be back with you. In fact, what I'll do is if I need to top up at any point, I'll check in with you because obviously I want to let you know how long it's lasted up until the point where I need to top up, if you get what I mean. These are obviously very affordable as well. I'll put the price here so you can be sure of what the price is in dollars and pounds. Of course, Maybelline is a drugstore brand, and I am a really proud ambassador of Maybelline's and I've worked with them for years, but this is not sponsored at all. This is just purely a review and wear test for both me and for you. By the way, if you want a little tutorial on how I did this hair, by the way, I've got loads of comments on it, which I really appreciate. You guys have been loving it on Instagram, the kind of wavy effect. I've got a tong, I've been using extensions. Then I'd love to do a tutorial for you, but just let me know and we can arrange this. I'm gonna head off now, so I'm just spraying some perfume. This is so nice, by the way. It's the So Body Mist in Barley Breeze. Smells like holidays. Love it. But I've got to go now and I will check in with you on the lip situation in a bit. Love you, bye. Okay, I'm very quickly back. Just to let you know, it's been about 3 minutes since I applied these, and that's the time it's taken for them to completely dry down. So they're almost transfer proof now. Like matte, still like a satin finish, but kind of transfer proof, which is amazing. So I'm really hoping that they're gonna last. But yeah, see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed those swatches, but I thought I would do my first check-in. It's been 4 hours since I've left the house. I've had 2 meetings and I've drunk a few glasses of water. I've not eaten anything yet, but take a look at the staying power. I've not topped it up once, so I think that is very impressive. I am absolutely in love. It's very comfortable on the lips, it's not crusting up. I mean, my lips look a little bit dehydrated, but the main thing is that the product is staying put. So I will continue to update you if it does or doesn't budge. But so far, so good. Hey guys, so I'm just checking in. It's now 6:45. Hi guys, so it's now 6:45. I'm on my way home. It's been nearly 7 hours since applying this. I've not topped it up. I've not topped any of my makeup up. I've eaten so much. I had afternoon tea with nude sticks, which was really fun. But take a look at this. Now my lips do feel a little bit dry. Nothing that a little bit of a, nothing that a little bit of tongue moisture won't sort. Buzzing's laughing at me. I'm actually really pleased. Guys, this is actually amazing. 7 hours, afternoon tea, and it still looks like this. In fact, all of the makeup is in place. Sorry, it's a bit loud in here. But anyway, it's really, really good so far. I'll check in with you tonight. Still got a whole evening ahead of us, guys. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so it's been a long day. Oh my goodness. I'm back home. I've had a nice evening, went to another event, and yeah, it's 9:30, and basically my lips have not been touched up all day. I actually haven't touched up any of my makeup, which I think I said earlier. The foundation I'm wearing is the Maybelline Fit Me. The concealer is Maybelline Eraser Eye. Actually, without realising it, I've used quite a lot of Maybelline. Eyeliner is NYX Epic Ink. Brows are Anastasia Beverly Hills. I did use the Maybelline, it's because I did a video the other day for them, so everything was out already. I used the translucent powder in like the yellowy banana shade, and my bronzer is Benefit Cosmetics Hula Caramel. Favourite bronzer, my new favourite bronzer. It's the most incredible bronzy shade. I love it. The lashes that I'm wearing are Lily Lashes in Flare, Miami Flare, sorry. Yeah, love these. But anyway, let's get back to this lipstick review. I cannot believe it, look. I mean, I've been eating, I've been chatting all day, drinking, and it literally will not budge. I am loving it. The only thing I will say is that I would have liked to have put some gloss on it, but I didn't want to affect the formulation. But I prefer my lips to not be as dry. That's the only thing I'll say about it. Like, after wearing it for hours, my lips have become a little bit more dehydrated, but the staying power has been epic, so you can't fault it. Super Stay Matte Ink, what it claims to be, it really does live up to, and the overall kind of look of it I love. It's just the feel. I quite like a glossy lip at the moment, and I don't mind topping up frequently either, but to be honest, today has been kind of in and out of meetings, events. I've not actually had much time to top up, so my long-lasting look has pretty much been ideal. So final thoughts of my Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon review is amazing. Absolutely love it. To be honest, there's not much I could even fault it on, other than being maybe a tad dry after being on for 10 hours. But a 10-hour wear test and it still looks fairly intact, well, very intact, but fairly fresh is what I was gonna say. That's impressive! Yes, Maybelline! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm so excited to be back filming for you. I have so many new, fresh ideas. Please let me know what you would like to see from this channel, from my channel going forward. Yeah, I'm just so happy to be back with you, and thank you again for your support on my last video about my marriage, mental health, the Fire Festival, all topics that I've been so scared about opening up about. I feel like it was really valuable showing you the other side of me, and I'm willing to do that more. But yeah, thank you for the support and love on that. And also, I have to say that if you want to become a part of a little community where I send you secret songs that I'm working on, because if you didn't know, I'm a music artist, I'm a songwriter, and I can't wait to release my next single for you. But until then, follow the link in my description box that will lead you to my website, where you can download secret songs that I've written just for you, so you can hear sneak peeks that are unreleased until I do release my next single, which will be different to the ones that I'm giving away for free, completely free. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well, and hit that subscribe and like button. It would mean the world to me, and especially because we have a smaller community on YouTube, it just is so valuable to me. So thank you so much, and I hope you've enjoyed this wear test. If you want me to test out anything else, let me know. I'm your girl. I'm here. I'm listening. But have an amazing weekend, my beauties, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye. I want this to look cute, but it just looks weird.